Here we go with a 2 boxes that Brian won in the email promo giveaway. I'm going to get the break order right after this, Sergio. Ooh, double book. Double book. What up, SoCal? Good luck, Brian. Nice card. Nice card. He's up and coming. Brandon Coleman to 10. Oh my goodness, Guns, you're the only person that's done it. What's up, Guns? To 99, Eric Ebron. That's right. That's right. Sadly, I think your squad is going to lose just as mine did. Oh, Sammy Watkins and Calvin Benjamin to 25. And Cody Latimer to 49. Congrats again, Brian. Thank you, sir.